Microsoft Script enables users to automate repetitive tasks, save time, and enhance productivity. It is becoming more and more crucial for enterprises and organizations that utilize Microsoft Office programs. Here are a few of the main explanations for the significance of Microsoft Office Script.
1. Enhanced productivity. Microsoft Office Script automates repetitive operations so users may accomplish them more quickly and precisely, freeing up time for other crucial tasks.
2. Standardization. By using scripts to automate tasks, businesses and organizations can ensure that processes are standardized across the organization, reducing errors and improving consistency.
3. Cost savings. By automating tasks, businesses can reduce the time and resources required to complete them, resulting in cost savings.
4. Improved accuracy. Automation can reduce the risk of errors, as scripts can be written to perform tasks consistently and accurately.
5. Flexibility. Microsoft Office Script can be customized to meet the specific needs of different users and organizations, allowing for greater flexibility in how tasks are completed.
6. Integration. Microsoft Office Script can be integrated with other Microsoft tools, such as Power Automate and Microsoft Teams, to create more complex workflows and automations.
Overall, Microsoft Office Script is an important tool for businesses and organizations that use Microsoft Office applications, as it can help to improve efficiency, standardize processes, and reduce costs.